Hi everyone, my name is Richard, and in this tutorial we're gonna show how to create breakout sessions here in GoBrunch. After you create your webinar, you're gonna see this left menu bar here at your left side, and by clicking on it you're gonna be able to expand this left bar, and you're gonna be able to see this icon breakouts, and once you click on it you're gonna see two standard sessions. The first one is the main classroom, which is the main session that you have created. Whatever name that you have entered, it will appear here. And the other one is the lounge, which is pretty much a common area where you can navigate between all these sessions. And if you want to add any additional sessions, just click here. And let's say we want to add something like, I don't know, group 1. Could be breakout session 1 or breakout room 1. And then you choose which room layout you want. Let's say you want this one. Just click here to create. And it's okay. Now you can see the group 1 here under this breakouts menu. If you want to create one more, let's just do again. Group 2. Click on create. And here it is. Now we have the group 1 and the group 2. There's no limit. You can create as many sessions you want. And in order to join, all your students or all your attendees will be able to see this icon. And all they have to do is click on the link. And you as a facilitator or teacher, you can do the same. Let's say you want to join group 1. Let's just click here. And here we are inside the group 1. It's important to mention that once you are inside a breakout session, all the microphones and the cameras will turn on automatically. And your students or your attendees will be able to share their screen. And in breakout sessions, differently from the main session, you don't have access to the moderation controls here. Once you're here, you're going to be able to see all the breakout sessions. And if you want to add more breakout sessions from here, you're going to be able to do that. If you want to join the group 2, for example, let's just click here, and here we are inside the group 2 session, and now you can provide all the guidance to your students or to your attendees. From here you can share your screen if you want using any of the 3 available options, and at any time you can just click here and just get back to the main classroom. And now we are back to the main session that you have initially created. Another way of navigating the breakout sessions is using the lounge. You're gonna see every session has a lounge. By clicking here, you're gonna join this lounge or kind of virtual atrium. And from here you can see all the sessions, the main classroom, group 1 here, and group 2 here. And if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see more. However, it's important to mention that by using the lounge, you are able to see only 6 sessions. If you have more than 6 sessions, you can access all of them by clicking here on this breakouts icon, and then you're going to be able to see all the sessions that you have created. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.